Good evening, this is Ankita Singh, and you're watching the 9 p.m. bulletin on Channel 6 Network. Let's dive into today's top stories. In a historic milestone for Indian aviation, Air India Vistara has launched its first international flight post-merger, departing from Doha. This unified service marks a new era in the industry, aimed at enhancing connectivity and customer experience. The upcoming Vidarbh elections promise intense competition, with polling scheduled in a single phase and results expected on 23rd November. The political landscape here could see significant shifts as both parties vie for dominance. Veteran MLA Kalidas Kolambakar faces tough opposition as he campaigns for a 9th term in Vadala. His opponent, Shiv Sena UBT candidate Shraddha Jadhav, has been vocal about unresolved issues, including slum redevelopment, water supply, and healthcare. Leaders Aditya Thackeray and Milind Deora have jointly advocated for more power to the BMC and Mumbai's mayor, emphasizing the need for effective leadership to address the city's challenges. In Kashmir's Bandipora district, security forces have trapped a group of terrorists in an ongoing encounter. The operation continues as forces work to neutralize the threat. As Maharashtra gears up for elections, Deputy CM Devendra Fadnavis has called for a Dharma Yudh in response to remarks by Emims Asaduddin Owaisi, adding fuel to the state's political tensions. Campaigning in Jharkhand, Home Minister Amit Shah targeted Congress and JMM, promising strong action against corruption, especially in light of a recent raid uncovering illicit funds linked to Congress leader Dheeraj Sahu. A heart-wrenching scene in Himachal as the body of Army JCO Rakesh Kumar arrived in his village. The community is united in mourning for the brave soldier, remembering his sacrifice. A jeweler in Uttar Pradesh allegedly killed his family in a brutal act. Authorities are investigating the motive, and the bodies have been sent for a post-mortem examination. In Chhattisgarh, a lawyer has been detained in connection with a death threat against Shah Rukh Khan. Investigations have traced the call back to Faizan Khan, revealing an unsettling development in the case. During his Maharashtra campaign, PM Modi lashed out at Congress and the MVA, accusing them of delaying key projects, including crucial rail connectivity in underserved regions. The BJP has expelled Sandeep Naik for anti-party activities following a ticket dispute in Belapur. However, his father, Ganesh Naik, remains with the party and has secured renomination in Airoli. Congress spokesperson Jairam Ramesh defended Rahul Gandhi amid a BJP complaint to the Election Commission. Ramesh asserted that Gandhi's comments were fact-based, pointing to an uneven development approach across the country. And that's all for tonight's top stories. For more updates, visit our website at www.channel6network.com and follow Channel 6 Network on all social media platforms. Thank you for joining us and have a good night.